I can't speak English perfect. I can't do anything in this world because my family, I am poor, environment. What are you doing in this world? Allah gives you power. He loves you. But first come back to Allah. For example, I wanted to speak English, improve your skills, writing, listening, speaking, reading, do anything. Talk with yourself in your home in front of the mirror, walking, running, go outside with your friends. At the end we will say, send me back. Please send me back. I will dump that girl. No more cigarette, no more weed, no more disrespect my parents. Allah, please send me back. Send me just 1 minute. No. They will say, رب ارجعون.